Cleaning Robot C3 Operation Video before startup. First, we should insert the SIM card to the robot. Open the protective cover on the back. Can see a SIM card slot. Insert the card into the slot with the chip facing downwards. Install cover, then can power on. Step 1. Start and connect the robot.
Open the covers and then press
Battery power button.
the switch. And then we turn on the
Robot power button.
And we have two apps to control the robots. First, we use the cleaning robot. We need to scan the robot's QR codes to be the administrators. And we can see the QR codes here. We scan it.
就是 SS34啊。是啊，然后 SS34一查一。
And then we will find the robot. Wait for 2 minutes, then we can see the robots online. Next, we can build a map.
Step 2.
We
Connect
open
Wi-Fi from
the
robot.
Robot's Wi-Fi. And then connect the Wi-Fi. And see this one's the robot's number. And then enter the password 20201103. The passwords and connect. And we need to put a SIM card. The robots can explore the Wi-Fi. SIM card is in here.
Before next step, in the app, there are more operation videos of cleaning robot and the app function. Step 3. Connect station.
We need to connect the charging stations with the robots. Here we place the infos, stations, click here, scans the charging station QR codes. Is this code? Okay. And then robots can find the charging stations and go back to charge.
Step 4.
Open the
Build a
next
map.
apps to build a map. This mapping assistance. You can see we connect the robot's Wi-Fi and then we click the mappings. Push the robot connect to the charging door before the mappings. We can press the emergency stop buttons, then move the robot back to the charging stations.
Then the map is created. To finish the mapping, we have the controller on the screen to control the robot. First, let the robot turn around and sense its surroundings. Second, control the robot to scan the area. A map will appear soon. White is feasible area. Gray is unknown area.
Okay, here we can save the map. We enter the names and the frost says. We already saved the maps, then we don't need to use this app. This app just for the mappings. Then we go back to the cleaning robots apps. We can see the map we scan first. Is this.
Step 5. Map settings.
And then later we can set the cleaning areas. Yes, we use the colors. Press it, choose the area, and then click.
这样，我先用这个。
Press these areas. Click. And if we don't need to clean this area, we can delete this. Okay, and then says this is the cleaning areas we set. Also, we can set the forbidden area. We can set the virtual one. Then we can start the cleaning task.
Now, you need to push the robot to the charging station before first time cleaning with a new created map. Step 6. Let the robot clean.
And then we choose to clean, choose the areas. And then mopping, vacuums, or dust washings. The blue light is the robot's vacuum. Okay, if we want to finish or let the robot go back to charge, we can stop and then go back to the charging stations.
Thanks for watching.